Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to use a very handy feature called Windows Snap Layouts on Windows 11 for multitasking. So what does this mean? Guys, in Windows 10 previously we've had some very, well, not necessarily bad, but I would say limited ways of customizing our windows and our window layouts. In Windows 11 it's actually much easier. So if you go ahead and open up any window and hover your mouse over here, where you can maximize or minimize, as you can see, we have this little window appear. So this, as you can see, has one single button that shows in different places, that shows the apps in different places, that if you press it, for example, like this, as you can see now, it places all of my windows in the same manner that this, as you can see, geometrical alignment shows. So for example, if you want to just split them like this, click here. And now, as you can see, I have my Chrome browser and my notepad on both sides. And as you can see, we can have many windows open at the same time and split them on our monitor. So if you have 4 apps open, you can use this, right? So you can have each app on here, 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 and here, pretty much every corner of the screen. So this is pretty much how it's done, guys. And also don't forget, if you go ahead and just place your window near the edge, and then you just choose which other app you want to open in the second part of your screen, for example OBS, right? And there you go. Now I have OBS and my Chrome browser running next to each other. So that is it. This is how you optimize your performance with layouts. Enjoy, guys, and well, yeah, Windows 11 is at least good at something, right?